everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and my channel is Glamorous Mimi. And of course the Glamorous doll is here. And of course you read that title, you read that thumbnail. It's all unboxing inventory. All this behind me, and I picked up some stuff from the store. So yeah, if we get into that video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell so you won't miss any videos I post, period. And follow all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and my new business accounts where I sell my lashes on, Mimi Glam Beauty. So you must follow all that, because if you don't follow me, you don't know what I'm doing. You don't know what I'm doing. So yes, so this is the unboxing inventory. If you don't know, my store is on pause because Shopify messed up my payment plan or overcharged me, so it's gonna be on pause for November and December, and hopefully it'll be back up in January. So I'm hoping December is gonna be on pause because I'm gonna be out for surgery. So I hope y'all understand that surgery is, I take it serious, and it's a life and death situation for me, so I gotta focus on that right now. But anyway, I'm not gonna talk about that because I'm in a great mood and show you all the stuff I got from my business on Mimi Glam Beauty. So without further ado, let's get into this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel, which will be up here somewhere in the card section. And I'll be doing vlogs, so you don't want to miss that. So let's go. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is it's not important. This is what I got from my business to start my lip gloss, which I already have. If you don't know, I leave a card up there. I'll leave a suggestion up there. I made the lip gloss same size too, so I made that. But I got some paper towels, and they're all from Dollar Tree. It's so cheap. I got these the face masks. You know, you want to cover your face when you're making the lip gloss. And I got these bowls to prep my my lip gloss, my Versagel and all that. And it look like this. It's unscrewed, so it's like the perfect thing. And these are Better Crocker, y'all. Better Crocker. For $1. You got 3 bowls for $1. So that's basically what I have from the dollar store. So the next thing I got from last week, which I already used because I made some lip gloss. I had some Versagel left over. I got some thank you stickers from Amazon. It was like $3.99, $3.05 for 500 stickers. So that was a good deal. I got some pipettes, the 3 milliliter pipettes, and these pipettes is perfect for putting the lip gloss in the tube. Of course, I got some syringes, and these syringes, I thought it was 60, but it was the 20 milliliters. So it's small, but it'll work. It'll work out because I use one. So it come in a pack like this. You get 4 in the pack. They come in the pack like this. And the last but not least, from Amazon, I got my lip gloss tube. These are the sweet tubes I'll be making my lip gloss out of. And I did make 9 lip gloss tubes, and I used some of these, and they are pre-clean. I'll insert the pictures right here. They are pre-clean and everything. It already be pre-clean and sterilized, so I don't send nobody no wood crap. So I'm a clean person, so I'm a clean freak, so I gotta have my stuff clean. Yeah. But where them lip gloss? I'm gonna come back and show you the lip gloss. This is what the lip glosses I made right here. I made this color. I'm showing the back because I got the names on and I don't want to show my names, but yeah, this is a hot pink. This is like a violet. This is a pinkish bluish. This is a soft pink. So I got all this off TKB Trading. So yeah, the next thing we're gonna get, which I got like some weeks ago, was more pipettes. And these pipettes, which I ordered first, and that was the wrong one. These were the, it's 200 in the pack, but these were the 2 milliliter, and I don't need a 2 milliliter. I need a 3, and I already used it because I had to make these lip glosses, so I just used it for my oil to suck up my oils and stuff like that. I just used it for to suck up my oil. But it is what it is. Everything coming useful. So the next thing I have is business card, and let me tell you, do not be in my comment section talking about I could order all Vistaprint for cheaper. Yeah, I tried that, but Vistaprint charged too much for shipping, and that, you know that thing going around talking about you can get 100 cards for $9.99. No, it's a lie. Proven, it's a lie. You cannot get 100 for $9.99. You can get 100 for $15 and plus $14.99 shipping. Not gonna happen. So I went with Canva and got 50 for $12 and free shipping. So right now I'm going to stick with Canva until I can find a better site to find my business cards. And plus I make my business cards on Canva. So let's open this box. Oh, if you wonder what kind of lashes I'm wearing today, it's out of my collection. It's luxury. I'm wearing luxury. Yes. So say your coins and I can stock up for luxury. Luxury. So this is what in the box. Oh, I hate the strip of paper. It gets everywhere. I'm gonna just move it out the way. Business card. Okay. It comes in a little box like this. And I'm just gonna go open. I got more paper shreds right here. So to keep it pushing up. So here is what my business card looks like. Yes. It has my name and Slay the Glamorous Way Beauty and Lash Shop, www.mimiglambeauty.com. My email is up here. My Instagram at mimiglambeauty, and my Facebook, facebook.com/mimiglambeauty. It's all up here. And if you purchase from me, you get this card. I do have another business card, but this business card have my phone number up here. But this is for people in my community that buy from me. But I seen these out and just crossed my number out because I don't want strange people to call my phone like, who is this? Who is this? No, you have the wrong number. I don't know you. So it's good, but it's kind of bad. I don't want my number exposed like that. So yeah, you'll understand. The next thing I have is, I think it's some more tubes. And the other tubes that I showed before came last week. These tubes I ordered back in October and just got here Tuesday. So I got them other tubes from I showed earlier last week, and the same week I ordered. I ordered on the Monday and got them Friday. So you tell me. I will be ordering when that coming again. So yeah. So I'm just gonna open it up. Yep. More tubes. hold the hairline. What is it? It's supposed to be 20 in here. Well, where is the little pieces to stop it? The stopper's at the bottom. Why did I not put it in a little Ziploc bag? It's so stupid. I'm not ordering from that company again. Fuck you. Excuse my French. The next package, which I got today, and I ordered way last month and came today. I don't know what the hell it is. This is why I don't want to order so much. I think I know what it is. I think it's my eyelash applicator. Let me see. And I gotta count these because I told that been like, where's my stuff? It's been a month. Where's my stuff? Oh God. Another. They make sure this stuff is secure and tight. Okay, well I can. Oh, it's so cute. They are heavy. It's so cute. These are the eyelash applicators. Oh my God, I'm so happy. It's so cute. And these, I don't know what I'm priced into it. I got, it's supposed to be 50. I count off camera and stuff like that. I won't waste nobody's time in this video. So yeah, I'm so happy I got my stuff. It's like in all my computers. Yes. So these will be on my website too. So if you didn't know, and I'm not gonna say the price because I just don't know yet. I gotta check with my family and how I should price it and stuff like that. So yeah. And the last package which I got yesterday is from TKB Trading. So I got more stuff from TKB Trading, and I will be making more stuff. So right here I got more Versagel, and more colors, more pigments. So I'm just show y'all the colors I got. I don't tell y'all what colors I have, but because everybody used the same color. But I have this color, and these are all sample sizes. I don't get the big size until I'm fully making the sales. I have this color. It's like a whitish. I have another color. I got 4 colors. And I have another color is this, like this. And I got another color. It's a silver. So this is all like my colors. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and I'm very ambitious about my business. So yeah, I gotta get some things taken care of for my business, but soon it's gonna be up and rolling back to normal when I get my stuff together. So yeah. So this is the end of my unboxing, my inventory. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. Oh, I'm looking out the window. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. I hope you is able to purchase from me by January. I hope, like I said, that's noise. If you hear noise in my house, it's like my my daughter and my nephew, my family. Yeah, it's like so much is going on today. So like I said, I just like my train of thought. No, yeah. Like I said, my store is on pause for November and December because Shopify just makes up my payment plans or my plans to pay. So it'll be up by January. Hopefully January or February, because I hope this healing process don't take long enough as I thought and I'm thinking. I just don't want it to take long because everybody want to heal fast, but everybody can't heal fast. So thank you for tuning in and thank you for watching. I'll see y'all beauties and glamorous babes in the next video. Bye, loves.